Hi dear friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I have something exciting for you. I'm going to be trading with my favorite tool. I'm going to be trading with technical analysis. I really love trading with this tool. It's quite easy to use and quite comfortable to use, and also I always get very good profit while using this tool, and also this tool helps me avoid errors in my trades. Today I'm going to be looking at the support level. I'll be looking at the resistance level, I'll be looking at the internal levels and other patterns on the market, and also I'll be looking at how prices are approaching different levels on the market before opening a trade. So technical analysis is quite easy to interpret and use. If you want to learn more about it, you can join my private chat in Telegram channel. So if you'd like to join my private chat in Telegram channel, go under this video, there is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. Join my private chat, ask all your questions concerning today's trade or any other binary question. I'll be ready and willing to answer all your questions, as well as use my trading signals to make very good profit on your own. You can also interact with the other members of the group, so I advise you to join. And also I advise you to practice a lot this technical analysis tool, because it's quite easy to use and it's the basis of most trades. It also helps you avoid a lot of errors in your trades, so try to practice it a lot and you'll be able to make very good profit on your own. And also, if you would like to support my channel, the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel. So let me find my first entry point for today. So right now I can already see the first entry point, and I'll explain it to you. As you can see, I'm going to go to the menu here and select the horizontal line tool, and I'm going to set it according to the lower values of these candlesticks. At the same time, I can see that there was a confident downward movement here, and after the first touch of this zone, there was an upward pullback, and after a while you can see that the price again approached the same zone. So as I can see, after the touching of the same level, there was another upward pullback. Thus here I understand that we have a certain level of support here, since the price has been approaching this zone several times and was starting from it. You can see that at the moment the price is moving in the trading zone, and you can see that there is a certain compression of the level. You can see that there was also no pullback from this level, and at the same time you can see that the main price highs are becoming lower. That is, the price is mainly pressed against the support level. So in this case, I'm going to observe the price and wait for a clear move before opening a trade. As you can see right now, there is a confident red candlestick that has been formed. So at the same time, you can see that it went beyond the level, and at the moment you can see that the price is starting to break through the support level. So in this moment, I already opened a down trade for 1 minute, because in such a row 1 minute is quite enough for such trades, and try and make very good profit on the downward movement of the price on the very breaking through of the level. So I always work out on similar situations to this because they are easier to practice on, and I understand them well, and I know that I can be able to make very good profit from them. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So this trade was excellent. As you can see, the level was broken through, and here I made very good profit. You can see that I made money on the breaking through of the support level here, and 1 minute was enough time for this trade. So let me go on. So here in this situation, I'm going to choose a horizontal line here and put it on the lower values of these candles. You can see that this is the lowest point for a given period of time, and at the same time I can see that at the moment there is a downward movement and the price is approaching our level. So in such a case, I'm going to open a short trade for 3 minutes, because I can see that at the moment there's a downward trend, and I can see that the price is moving down while the main price highs are getting lower. And from this I understand that the price has an excellent potential for a fall. So I mark the nearest area with the horizontal line, because it is in this area that the price might have problems. The price may stop here, or it might have a rollback up, but in either way I think I'll make very good profit from the downward movement. So let me wait and see the results. This is excellent. As you can see, the price continued to move down. This level was broken through and I made very good profit from this trade. So this price had a very good potential to decrease and I was able to make very good profit on the breakthrough of the level. So 3 minutes was enough time for this trade. So let me find another trade. So here we have the level of support down here, and I can see that the early price has already touched this level twice, and now at the moment you can see the price is approaching this level for the third time. So at the same time you can see that the price came up with confident red candlesticks, and I can see that the price has an excellent potential for a decrease and the main price highs are becoming lower here. At the moment you can see that the price is moving in a trading zone and there is a sudden compression of the support level. So in this case there will probably be no upward pullback. So I'm going to be opening a trade for a fall for 2 minutes here, because it's likely that the price will continue to move towards this level in the near future and it's quite possible that the level will be broken through. So at the same time I'll pay attention to the fact that the price moves confidently in this, and also you can see that there are confident red candlesticks here that are being formed, unlike for example the green candlesticks. The green candlesticks that are being formed right now are really quite small in size, and also this trade has a very good potential for a decrease. So let me wait and see the results of this trade and make very good profit on the downward movement or the possible breakthrough of the level. So this is excellent. As you can see, this level was broken through and after that there was an upward pullback. So 1 minute would have probably been enough time for this trade, but you cannot always predict the accuracy of the time needed for trading, because sometimes there are a lot of risks in these trades and also the market cases are different, but they always work themselves out. So let me find my next entry point. So in this situation, you can see that we have a certain resistance zone up here, and as you understand, we cannot always have a perfect horizontal line. It's just a certain area. In some cases the area may be wider and in other cases it may be worse, but in this case you can see that this zone has an upper and lower border, and the reaction can occur from both the upper and lower boundaries of this zone. At the moment you can see that the price has already touched this zone 2 times, and now at the moment there was a reversal and it's approaching the same zone again. So in such a case, I'm going to open a trade for a rise for 3 minutes here, because I can see that recently the price has a good potential to increase, and at the same time I can see that the main price lows are becoming higher here. That is, the price mainly moves up, and since this is a third touch of the resistance zone and at the moment there is some kind of compression of this zone, it's quite possible that there will be a breakout in the near future and the price will go higher than this. That is why I opened a trade for 3 minutes, because in some cases the price may continue to move in this zone for some time and then a pullback may occur. So I use 3 minutes as a rule because I'm taking into account all the possible trades that may occur. It may be a pullback down or it may be a flat, but I'm sure that the upward movement will continue because here the price has potential for an up trade. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So as you can see, the price continued to move up, and at the same time the price went beyond the upper limit of the resistance zone, and after that there was a pullback down again. That is, as such, there was not a full-fledged breakout of the level yet, but I think that it will happen in the near future. Therefore, we can try and open the next trade here. Only this time I opened the trade for a rise for 2 minutes because I think that in the near future this level will be broken through and the price will go higher than this. And at the same time, I can see that the main price lows are getting higher and there is no confident downward pullback as such. All this tells me that the price has an excellent potential to increase, and it's likely that this level will be broken through in the near future. So let me wait and see the results. So this is awesome. As you can see, the price went beyond the level. There was a breakthrough of the level, and at the same time the price has fixed above the level. I managed to make very good profit. So 2 minutes was enough time for this trade. You can see that at the moment the price is steadily moving up. You can see a green candlestick that is being formed, and as you can understand, there has been a true breakthrough of the resistance level. This means that I correctly predicted this further price movement. So after the impulsive breakthrough of the resistance level or the support level, there is a certain pattern that occurs. After confident impulsive candlesticks are formed, a certain attenuation occurs and the price stops, and in such cases a correction movement and a pullback in the opposite direction are more likely to occur. You can be able to make very good profit from this. As you can see, after the impulsive green candlestick here, the price stopped, and at the same time you can see that the red candlesticks have begun to form as well. So here I'm going to be opening another trade. I'm going to open it for a fall for 1 minute, because in such a case a correction movement cannot be avoided. There will be a pullback in the opposite direction that will occur, and as a rule in such cases 1 minute is quite enough for this trade. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So this trade was excellent. As you can see, the price got into the correction zone and there was a pullback, and here I made quite good profit. So 1 minute was enough time for this, and in most of these situations these cases work out just as they did. So all I have to make sure is to predict this case quite early and open a trade as quickly as possible, and I'm able to make very good profit. So I would like to stop here for today and fix my profit. So today's trades were awesome. I hit my goal for today and I'm very glad. You can be able to master this tool. The only way to do that is to practice a lot, follow all the steps that I did in today's trades, and you'll be able to master this technical analysis tool and be able to make very good profit on your own. If you have further questions concerning today's trade, I'm asking you to join my private chat in Telegram channel, because this channel is very useful for you if you want to learn more about binary trading. If you'd like to join my private chat, go under this video, there is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add you to this private chat. Or you can find me in Telegram using the username. Join my private chat, learn more about binary trading, ask all your questions, interact with the other members of the group, and also use my trading signals to make very good profit. So if you like today's video, if you like all the content that I post on my channel, the only way to support my channel is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.